Hi guys, I wanted to show you how to save your animation as a GIF. First of all, before I even get to that, I just want to fill my background. My suggestion is don't leave your background checkerboard like this. It doesn't look as great when you finish and you submit your work. So I'm just going to simply choose a color and fill my backgrounds with it. Now I'm using the arrow keys to toggle back and forth in my slides, so I don't have to click on them and accidentally delete or duplicate. So this is my growth animation GIF. In order to save this as a GIF animation, I'm going to go down to Export. Make sure it's on GIF animation. Now, let me just say my animation, I upscaled it because my original size is 32 by 32 pixels, which is really, really small. So let me just show you. If I were to keep this at the original size, 32, I'm going to click on this just to show you. What this is going to do is going to upload GIF animation to a public URL. If I keep it that small 32, when it plays, this is how small it's going to be. So if your animation is on the smaller side, what we're going to do is we are going to scale up those pixels. Let me do this again. If I upload, there we go, much larger animation. So that's one way that you can check on your animation. You could also very easily, to hand in your work, just highlight this or highlight up at the top. I think I'm out of the frame, but highlight the URL up top and you can submit that. You could also simply download your GIF, and as you can see, it's downloaded here. It downloaded onto my computer, and from there I can upload the animation onto Google Classroom, which is what you're going to do and how you're going to hand your work in.